Hello everyone. Today we'll be learning about something new. It's the tech world, and we are all getting some or the other PDFs in our WhatsApp group. So I'll also show you one of the PDF. Let's see, which I downloaded from the government website. It's a PDF of the textbook. So you can see this is the PDF of the grade 10 textbook, Science 1 from the State Board of Maharashtra. You can see Science and Technology Standard 10 Part 1, and you can see there are 154 pages. But I want to teach only one chapter, and I don't want to scroll up and down again and again. So I want only one chapter from this PDF for my reference at the moment, which I can carry in my devices easily, and I can easily take the print also without worrying about number of pages. So I want to just have only one chapter and not the full textbook PDF with me right now. So what to do in that case? Is there a solution? Yes, there is a solution, and we call it a split PDF. What exactly is split PDF? Let's see. Number of pages in this PDF available are 154, and I don't want all 154. I just want PDF of one chapter. So let's talk about for the chapter 3, and page number is 39. So let's see what to do. To understand that, first thing you need to do is in Google browser, just type split PDF. The moment you type split PDF, you will reach to this site. It says split PDF files online, free services to split PDF. You don't have to log in. You don't have to worry about anything else. You need to just select the PDF file which you want to split, and you can see I have this Science 1's PDF, and you can see all 154 pages are available. The one which we just now saw. So from this PDF, I want only this chapter, the chapter number 3, which says chemical reaction and equation. It's starting from page number. You don't have to look at this page number of the textbook because there are initial pages which are not been mentioned in this page number. So you have to look at the PDF page number, the page number from the PDF slide, and page number 39. And this is page number. You can see this is 38, and this is page number 39. So from page 39, I want this up till, see where the chapter ends. So the chapter ends here, page 55. So I want from page 39 to page 55, one full chapter's PDF, not the full textbook. So let's see what to do. We'll go back to the split PDF page on Google. You can see here on this page, on this website, I need to go to custom range, and you need to just put page number. So I want it from page 39. Remember, the page 39 was chapter 3, and from page 39 till page 55, I guess. So 55. Let's see, is that it? Yes. You can see start and end of the chapter, and I need to just click on split PDF, and the PDF will be ready. You need to just download the PDF, and let's see whether it works fine or not. And yes, the PDF is downloaded here. I need to just click on that, and you can see now I don't have to worry about all 154 pages, and you can see I have only 17 pages available, and that's one full chapter with me right now from the full textbook. So this way you can just click on the split PDF, and you can get the PDF splitted into different parts. So for all of yours reference, I'm also putting the link of this website in the comment box. Do try the split PDF concept, and if you are not aware of it and you got to know something new from today's video, do put your comments in the comments box. That's it from my end. Thank you and have a great time. Bye bye.